You are freaking weird. What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be clay barring Jack's car. I'm gonna be showing you like a step-by-step on how to do it. Sorry if I'm blurry. Am I blurry? All right, so yeah, we're gonna be doing like a step-by-step process. This is like a simpler way to clay bar your car. You need quick detail spray to use as like a lubricant to put on your panel. So
that's the one that came
in
the kit.
This is exactly what you can use. Any quick detailer works. It's really up to you guys on how you want to do it. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to start on the very front of the car. Just kind of work from up here all the way down and then to the back. You're gonna take your clay bar. You're just gonna spray a little bit of quick detailer on it. Just make it to where it's like lubricated so you don't like run over the paint where it's rough. Basically, you're just gonna start by doing this just by applying a little bit of quick detailer, like a couple sprays, and then you're simply, no pressure by the way, just rub the paint with the clay bar. See, this car's paint hasn't really been clay barred before, so it's gonna be a little bit more saturated dirt, but as you can see, there's some stuff on the clay bar. You can just hear it picking up all this.
Damn, that sounds bad.
I know. That's how my car was.
How do you know when like the clay bar is all used up? Like, do you have to?
So whenever like your clay bar gets pretty dirty on the surface that you're using.
Focus. Ew.
Yeah, so whenever it gets to this point, like this is still not bad, considered bad. So you can keep going. Basically every panel, what I like to do is I like to flip it over and kind of like knead it into place and stuff. But you can use one side each panel, I would say. Just keep repeating the process by folding it over, pushing it down and flattening it out. All right, so then you're just gonna rub off the surface that you just clay barred. Okay, so that's one panel. You can, off the bat, you can just kind of tell a difference if you are here.
Oh, what the? Dude, that's a big difference from my hood to like that.
Yeah, it's a major difference. Obviously, they can't really tell because you're not here to like rub your hand against it.
It's pretty smooth, y'all,
yeah, compared to the hood, like you can just hear it. Okay, so next up is the door. I flipped the clay bar over so it's kind of clean on here. There's no like rough edges or anything.
Dude.
It just goes over and then all of a sudden it's smooth.
Yeah. Is it dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, damn. That is dirty. It's like brown.
God, dude. That's bad.
Was yours like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Dude, it was... Okay, alright, so we're gonna move to the hood. The hood's the worst part, happens to be the worst part on this car. It's got a lot of junk on it, like you can just hear it.
Oh my gosh.
That's literally like one
That's the worst so far. Holy shit. So it's okay to go back and forth, just not in a circle?
Yes. Okay. That's what I was told. I don't know. If y'all are watching this and you're like cringing at what I'm doing, please let me know.
Ew. Dude.
Alright, so after that, you just need to dry it. I recommend using microfibers, just because they're easier to clean. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching as always. It's going to be a little shorter than usual. It's just kind of a little quick video on how to clay bar your car. Do this when you're detailing your car. This is just kind of like doing it for fun to show you. But yeah, hope you guys liked it and we'll see you in the next one.